morning children, welcome to your EVS class. Today we are going to discuss our next pollution, that is soil pollution. So my children, what is soil pollution? When soil becomes contaminated, it is called soil pollution. And also we can say when soil becomes infertile. When soil becomes infertile and toxic because of some human activities, that is called soil pollution. Disturbance to the land. Soil pollution is the disturbance to the land because it is a part of land degradation. That's why it disturbs our land. Like we throw garbage on the soil and it pollutes our environment. That's why it is the disturbance to the land. And also my children, there are some causes of soil pollution. And what are those causes? Causes of soil pollution. Like dumping waste. Like we dump waste at the soil. It degrades the fertility of soil. Like we throw non-biodegradable waste which cannot be decomposed easily or which can be not decomposed for many years. That waste is called non-biodegradable waste. And we throw that dump waste on the soil. Polythene bags. Polythene bags are the major cause of soil pollution. Why children? Because polythene are never decomposed in the soil. That's why polythene creates too much pollution because it has so many harmful chemicals which is not good for our environment, or we can say which is not good for our nature. Chemical fertilizers. Overuse of chemical fertilizers to grow crops by farmers that degrades the fertility of soil, and we face soil pollution because of the use of chemical fertilizers. So we should use natural fertilizers to grow the crops. Industrial waste. Okay children, also industrial waste, or we can say the release of sewage or the industrial waste from factories also degrades the quality of our soil, and it is very harmful and it is very dangerous for us, for our health, for the health of animals also. So there are some causes of soil pollution that we face soil pollution because of these some causes. There are some effects of soil pollution. What are those effects, my children? Effects of soil pollution: harm crops. Soil pollution harm crops. As if we are using too much chemicals to grow the crops and plants, these are very harmful these chemicals are very harmful for our soil. It degrades the quality of soil also, and also it harms our crops. Harm animals. Soil pollution also harm animals, as if animals eat those plants or those crops which are full of chemicals, or the plants which have a large amount of chemicals that are very dangerous for our animals, and animals can die also because of use of chemicals. Harm human beings. Soil pollution also harm human beings because the food eaten by the human beings is also made up of those chemical or the process which is used by farmers, like pesticides, like insecticides, and those chemical fertilizers that are very dangerous for the health of a human being. Now there are some ways of controlling soil pollution. Plant more trees. We should plant more trees to maintain the quality of soil, to prevent the soil from getting degraded. Throw waste in dustbins. Like the waste from industries or the waste from our homes, we should not throw at the land or at the soil. We should throw them in the dustbins. Adopt organic farming. Farmers should adopt organic farming, like some natural methods to protect our environment. Farmers should not use chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides that are harmful for our soil. Use natural manure. We should use natural manure like cow dung and compost. Compost is the composition of the waste into the soil. When the waste is getting composed in the soil, that is called composition. And we can use the cow dung also, and we can use some natural manures and so many other manures we can use to protect our soil. And by these methods we can protect or we can control the soil pollution.